If you've ever wanted an AR coating on your existing glasses but still don't have one, you've come to the right place. Whether you have regular prescription glasses, safety glasses, or sunglasses, our lens services team here at RX Safety can enhance any frame you have with an anti-reflective coating anytime. AR coatings improve visual clarity by reducing glare from sources like headlights, overhead lighting, or computer screens. They boost contrast and sharpness, especially in low light conditions, while making the lenses virtually invisible. This is particularly beneficial for professionals, drivers, or anyone who uses computer screens for extended periods of time. Instead of buying a whole new pair of glasses, you can upgrade your existing lenses to an AR coating while keeping the frame that you already have. Simply submit your request by filling out an online form. Here, you'll provide essential details about your frame type, shape, and lens prescription. Don't forget to specify your preferred lens material and color options. Then, ship your frame to the RX Safety Service Center. Just wait a short period of time for our expert technicians to evaluate your frame and perform the replacement process. If you're interested in upgrading your glasses with an AR coating, you can find the links to our service down below or by searching RX Safety AR Lens Replacement Service online.